Have you ever came home from vacation and found your house flooded? Well, me neither. But my father-in-law did. And it got me thinking, how can I prevent this? So, today I'll be testing the Frizzlife LP365 entire home leak detection system, just to see if we can prevent it. So here you can see it comes with everything you need. It comes with the actual machine right here. It has an inlet and outlet indication for you. You get your manual, the actual unit, charging cable, the plug, some fittings, and then the Teflon tape. So everything to get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and locate your water shutoff valve and shut that bad boy off. So the next thing you want to do is relieve the pressure in the pipe by turning something on like we are about to do. And the main reason for doing this is that when you cut, you don't get slapped in the face with water. Let's keep going. So now we're going to go ahead and measure twice and cut once. So remember, measure twice and cut once. Trust me. So now we got it marked off. And now we're ready to cut. A little line up here, a little squeeze there. Boom, she's off. Let's pop the rest out. We don't need this no more. Now we can get this bad boy ready with the couplings. So you want Teflon on both sides, inlet and outlet. And the couplings I had to set up, so this is what they look like set up. But Home Depot didn't have what I needed, so I will link the correct ones down below. So here I'm doing a dry fit, and as you can see, I gotta cut more. But I'd rather cut more than not have enough pipe. So let's keep going. So now it's time to prime it. So we're gonna go ahead and prime this side and the other side, and then we'll prime the pipe down there. Now don't be stingy, get it up in there. So now the pipe is primed, but we also added this little piece of wood to keep the box off of the floor. So now we're ready for the glue, and you want to put the glue on all 4 points of contact. So that's inlet, outlet, and then both sides of the pipe. Just a reminder, don't forget to glue the pipes. And a little finagle here, and then a little finagle over here. So now we can go ahead and plug it in. Go ahead and grab your plug, and you're going to screw it to the back right here. So now that bad boy got power and everything looks good, so we're going to go ahead and open up the valve. And by the way, you want to open this up gradually so you don't mess anything up. So in order to connect this, you got to hit both of these buttons at the same time. And when you do that, a little Wi-Fi is going to flash right there, and then that means you can connect. So once you connect, this is the screen you see. Valve is open, protection is on, and then the gallons. So the most important feature to me of any leak detection device is 1, can it detect them accurately? And 2, can it shut off the valve by itself? So let's test it out. In the app, I'm going to set it up to shut off after a minimum of 20 gallons of continuous water use. So let's see. Man, look at that. It detected the freaking leak. Now let me see the water. Does it shut off? Yup, look, it shut off. Holy moly. So you can actually set parameters for your family and your home's water usage, which is pretty awesome. Look at that, valve closed. So a couple things that I didn't like about other leak detection systems is that when you have irrigation or large appliances that take up a lot of water, they trigger false alarms. But it looks like Frizzlife solved this and actually lets you set certain parameters to avoid large water usage. So let's see if they work. I'm going to go ahead and set it to turn off at a certain time and turn back on at a certain time. Basically mimicking if you're using your washer or watering your plants consuming a lot of water. Moment of truth. Let's see if it turns off. Ooh, it did. Now second moment of truth. Let's see if it turns back on. Bam! That bad boy turned back on. It's nice when a product does what it's supposed to do. This is awesome. So now we're going to go ahead and do a leak test, just to see if we have any leaks in the home. So I'm going to run the faucet, run this leak test, and see what the outcome is. Look at that. Leak detected. Man, this is surprisingly accurate, to be honest, man. I didn't expect this. So let's go ahead and shut off the valve. And boom, the water's off. Look at that. Doesn't matter where you're at. You can shut off the valve and not be worried about your home flooding. Now let's turn it back on. So let's recap. Not only does it shut off your valve, it sends you alerts, monitors your water usage, and gives you peace of mind. It's the best investment, man. Go ahead and grab one and don't let the water company overcharge you anymore. So the installation for PVC is a little bit different, but you're going to need not 1 but 2 channel locks, a pipe cutter, a 3/4 by 1 reducer female adapter, Teflon tape, primer, glue, and the actual unit. I'll leave links below, so let's keep going. And boom! Just like that, you're protected. No more floods. Always remember, if I can fix it, You can fix it.